I'm Carl Pritchard, and this is today's Good Question. You've been told the client is adamant in expecting decorum and respect from all of your organization's personnel. And you have Ted. Ted is your resident problem child. He seems to lack any filters in conversation. He talks sex, politics, religion, and mixed company, referring to their influences on project performance. And you are genuinely concerned about his impact on the contract. You worry most about his, and look at the 4 answers: inbound emotional intelligence, outbound emotional intelligence, feelings, self-esteem. Good question. Now, realistically, this is a much easier question than it appears because there are only 2 possible right answers, A or B. It's one or the other. There are 2 throwaway answers there. However, some of you might get sucked into the throwaway answers. But this one is all about EI, emotional intelligence. Inbound EI, how do others see you? Outbound EI, how do you connect with other people? That's the big distinction between inbound and outbound emotional intelligence. And when it comes to Ted, let's go back to the question. Are we more worried about his inbound EI, how he is perceived by others, or his outbound EI, how he shares information and how that connects with others? Well, it even says in the question, he seems to lack any filters. Filters are all about regulation. Filters are how we regulate our outbound EI. It's where we don't say inappropriate things. Any of you who have ever known somebody with no filters, you know how uncomfortable that is. And the reason it's uncomfortable, they have low outbound emotional intelligence. They have low self-regulation. Now, it's very easy to start twisting yourself around the axle on this. Hyperthinkers hate this kind of question because you can go, actually, it's all about both. Because if Ted doesn't have any filters, he may not be self-aware. You know what? I don't care how aware he is of himself or not. What I care about is when he's in front of the client, can I get him to shut up? If I can get him to shut up, that's a wonderful thing. That's where I'm actually worrying about it. So with today's good question, what am I worried about? His self-regulation. I'm worried about his outbound EI. I'll let him worry about his inbound EI. That's where I'm going to let that all happen. This, by the way, is part of the exam content outline that was updated in 2019. If you'd like to join us, we do host free PMP Prep study groups, virtually and live. And if you'd like more information about when's the next one, pop me an email or give me a call. We also train just about everything at Pritchard Management Associates: risk management, the basics of project management, motivation, communications, and how to be a great trainer. We do that too. Get in touch. And check out our next Good Question.